welcome back to Coop. Coop is a place where we talk about travel, luxury, and lifestyle and everyday entertaining. I thank you so much for joining me today. I have something exciting to share with you, as you saw from the title. So, child, today I could not be bothered to put on makeup. So you are getting me pretty much au natural. You know, I have microbladed eyebrows, so that's why my eyebrows are on. I also have on some lashes and just a little Dior lip oil. So this is it. But I wanted to come on quickly and share with you what I have received. So today I'm sharing with you my Celine Macadam Triomphe pattern tote. And I got this from Vestiaire Collective, and it came like this, which means this is a vintage bag that I'm going to show you today. And I got it at a deep discount as a result of it being vintage. This bag is probably from around the 1990s, and it came to me from Japan. And so here we go. So it came in, you know, just the dust bag that the seller put it in. So here she is. And you see the tag is still, hang tag is still there. I absolutely love this. First of all, the first thing that I noticed, because I already looked at this, is really the quality. The fact that this bag is, you know, more than 30 years old, I'm sure, and not a stitch out of place. Everything still looks really, really beautiful. The hang tag is really, really beautiful. The zipper still looks in very good shape. The zipper is actually still pretty smooth. In order to zip, it zips all the way around the bag. And so before we really get into this bag, let's talk a little bit about Celine. Celine is a renowned luxury fashion brand that has become synonymous with elegance, sophistication, and timeless style. The brand's history dates back to 1945, when it was founded by Celine Vipiani as a made-to-measure shoe business for children in Paris, France. Initially, Celine focused on crafting high-quality leather shoes for young boys and girls. The brand's reputation for exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail quickly spread, and Celine became a symbol of French luxury. It shows if you do good work, you'll get good attention. As the business thrived, Celine Vipiani expanded the brand's offerings to include a range of women's shoes and accessories. In the 1960s, Celine underwent a significant transformation under the new leadership of Celine Vipiani's son-in-law, Richard Vipiani. He introduced a ready-to-wear line, marking the brand's entry into the world of fashion. Celine's designs were characterized by clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and a focus on high-quality materials. Throughout the years, Celine has remained at the forefront of the fashion industry, continuously evolving and redefining contemporary style. The brand has had notable creative directors who left a significant impact on its image and collections. The legendary designer Phoebe Philo, for instance, led Celine from 2008 to 2018 and was credited with reviving the brand's iconic status by introducing modern and minimalist designs. Under the current creative direction of Hedi Slimane, Celine has embraced a new vision that combines the brand's heritage with a contemporary edge. Slimane's designs have brought a youthful energy to Celine's collections, attracting a new generation of fashion enthusiasts while staying true to the brand's timeless elegance. Today, Celine offers a wide range of products, including ready-to-wear clothing, handbags, shoes, and accessories. And Celine is under the LVMH family. And so now that we talked about Celine, let's talk a little bit more about the bag. The other thing that really struck me about this bag is the size. You see how big this bag is? Look at it. It covers my whole head. I had no idea, and I'll insert a few mod shots, that this bag was going to be so large. And you guys know I'm really into clutches lately. I've really been looking at the Loewe tea pouch. What is it called? I think it's called the Loewe tea pouch bag. It's the black embossed calfskin bag that has the anagram logo all throughout it. I'm really interested in that bag as well. I think it's so beautiful, so sophisticated. But back to this bag, it's just a lovely clutch that you can use as a clutch, you can use as a toiletry bag, you can use as almost anything. On the inside is also leather, and it has a zippered pouch, another smooth zipper here, and a pocket, if you can see that. So one of the things also that I really, and I'm gonna show you what fits in it, but I got this bag on Vestiaire Collective for $225. You know, you can't beat this. A Celine Triomphe pattern bag. You know, you can get this now. They have a few different options. The ones you get now do not have this leather seal on the front. Some of them are just plain and have a longer like wristlet strap. And then you also will see the ones that have in white Celine across, you know, the front. And they do the macadam clutch in a few different patterns now. I saw a denim version, they have cloth version, they have the one that has kind of like the slant, they have one with a flap, you know, and so they have made a lot of variations on this bag. So let's talk about what fits inside this bag, because it's super large and super deep. This is in really, really good condition. I'm really pleased with it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in some of my normal purse items and see. This is my fan. If you're a woman of a certain age, you know. That goes right down in there, and there's still room at the top. So if my whole fan can fit in there easily without any issue. I have this little pouch that I got from United Airlines. But I have things in here like lip gloss and a few other things. And so I'll just stuff that in there. I will put in my purse Kleenex. I'll put in my keys. I'll put in my hand cream. My mirror, I love this mirror. I'll link it down below. I got this from Amazon. It's very large. I'll try not to flash you in the face, but let me just show you this really quick since we're talking. But what I love about this mirror, and I'm not gonna flash you in the face, but there are two sides to the mirror, and it is magnifying on one side and normal on the other. And what I really, really love is that this side over here, let's see if it'll show. No, I don't think it's picking up on camera, but it lights up. And so that really is, so you can have a lighted mirror. So I love this mirror. It's, you know, a lot of people carry the little Chanel compact. I have a big head. This is way too small. That's way too small for me. But I love this clamshell mirror. It's very large and it's lighted. So if that big thing can go in there, yes, it does easily. I have to have my readers everywhere I go. Also, just a little spray perfume and my little Louis Vuitton wallet. So I just tossed all of that in there, and there's still room to spare. You see that? This is a huge, 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 huge clutch. Wow. It fits just as much stuff in it as my Pochette Matisse. And there's still room to spare. And the bag is not changing in shape, even with all of that stuff in there. I'm super impressed, super impressed. Could you add a strap to this? There are no D-rings or anything like that to speak of. I was trying to see if there was a way. I don't think so, unless one thing you might be able to do, because it does open here on both sides, even though, you know, the zipper part, you know, that snaps. One thing you could do is if you wanted to run some sort of chain from opening to opening here on the sides of the clutch, I guess you could maybe make a strap work, but I really think it's probably best suited and used as a clutch. So I'm really excited about this bag. Quality, versatility. I can see this going with a variety of things. You know, just craftsmanship, just excellence, and just a classic. I think that I will have this in my collection for many, 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 many years to come. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, if you've made it this far, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.